What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to delete your Revolut account, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So let's continue to the process. So if you want to close your account, as you can see, they say if your current plan does not satisfy you, downgrade to a free standard plan, and there are some termination requirements. So you need to update your app to the latest version. You need to clear every currency account, including any cryptocurrency. You also need to clear your vaults and downgrade your plan to the standard one. You can then close your trading account, and no pending transactions or active subscriptions should be on your account, and basically no active under 18 accounts, also no active insurance, and no open chargeback requests. After you done all these termination requests, you need to go to the profile. Then what you need to is select the account and select the close account in begin termination. So they'll send you a closure confirmation once the process is done, and they keep your data for 6 years to comply with regulatory and anti-money laundering laws. So guys, that is the complete process on closing your Revolut account. So as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. We are doing daily uploads, and make sure to check out our tutorials if you need any help. And if we did not cover your desired topic, make sure to write it down in the comment section down below, and we'll give our best to help you out. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.